Today we're going to be making smoked Cajun mac and cheese. How amazing. First we're going to be boiling 1 pound of large elbow noodles, adding in salt to the water. Next seasoning our 1 pound of chicken breast with blackened seasoning. Throw this in the pan with extra virgin of olive oil and saute until brown. Now adding in 16 ounces of andouille sausage and mix well till everything is incorporated and cooked. From here we're going to be making our vegetable, which is 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 cup of celery, and 1 shallot chopped. Adding this in translucent just like so. Now onto our sauce: 4 cups of whole milk, 8 ounce medium cheddar, 8 ounce Colby cheese, melt on low and stir often till combined. Now take back to our pan, adding in our 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour to make our roux, just like so. Very nice. Adding in our protein next, get this a nice gentle mix. A little bit more blackening seasoning for some flavor. Amazing. Pour in pasta and mix very well. Then next add in vegetables and protein. Give this a nice gentle mix. Salt and pepper to taste as always. And now we're ready to put this into a cast iron skillet. Very nice. Add in bacon pieces as well as panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to be smoking this at 275 degrees for 30 minutes. Garnish with some parsley, and there you have it. An amazing, wonderful smoked mac and cheese, Cajun style. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you guys have a good day now. You hear? Goodbye.